Hey guys, I have this excellent light fixture here with me.
It comes in this box here, and it's really packed very well, solid packing.
This is a wall-mounted light fixture and it's got a sturdy metal body and it has this great clear glass shape. All the mounting hardware that you need are included in this package, and it also comes with clear instructions. So for the installation, all you need to do is tighten the mounting base and then connect the wires right here. So once you have the wires connected, you attach the lamp base and then you tighten the nuts. So it just goes like that against the wall. So once you have that against the wall, you just attach the lampshades. All right, so this is how you attach the lampshades. You just put the lampshade in. So that's it. And the light bulb installation is also super easy. All you do is go in. That's it. So this is a very versatile light fixture. You can use it in the kitchen, in your living space, in your bathroom. You can use it looking down this way, or also you can use it facing upwards this way.